The software really helped us scale up our business because we were able to handle the influx of new accounts and new volume. We were adding new accounts the old-fashioned way, and the service was suffering.
We had data everywhere. So what he did was he created a custom feature for us where we could enter accounts as we were in the truck making pickups, so we knew we weren't missing any of them. It helps us be more efficient because with the fill rate tracking, we used to just hit all the stops in a certain area when we were in that area. And when you do that, you end up hitting a bunch of stops that don't actually need to be hit because you just happen to be near them. And at the end of the day, because you wasted X amount of time hitting stops that are not full, you end up with less gallons overall or less volume overall. It's made it a lot easier to, I guess, explore and expand into new areas. It just really helps you do mixed routes as well, where it's not just all UCO collections. It's used cooking oil pickup here, grease trap here, container drop here. That was one of the things that I noticed was the most beneficial were mixed routes. I could outfit 3 new locations in a day. I could get 1,500 gallons and service 3 grease traps and do that all efficiently at one time. The contracting feature is useful to me because I can quickly create a professional sounding contract that was written by a lawyer, and I can just cut and paste, put in my own little features, whether it's an indoor automatic system or a regular outdoor dumpster. You can take essentially a cold lead all the way through closing the account, dropping the container, making the first collection, and keep it organized and do it all seamlessly at once. We are hiring drivers, we've added trucks, we've more than doubled our account base during COVID, which, I mean, the first 2 months of COVID were rough and it was pretty scary, but we turned that into a positive over the course of the pandemic, and now we're a much more profitable and bigger and stable company than we were going into the pandemic.
Our service has increased and our volume has increased. The software really helped us scale up our business because we were able to handle the influx of new accounts and new volume much better than we were before we had the software.